There we go. There we go. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Sun On Audio unofficial YouTube channel. My name's Derek, and there's gonna be another episode on the all new project. Project question mark doesn't have a name yet. So first things first, if you have any recommendations for what we should call the new project, let me know in the comments right now. Today's the day. We got a spot cleared off inside. Got the mirrors took off the truck, so hopefully it can fit through the wall. You're gonna see Brandon's about to run the camera for me as I jump inside and we try and wiggle this thing in. So let's wish us luck.
Okay, not a problem. I'll do it.
All right, here we go.
Appreciate it.
Back's open.
Yep.
Let me go ahead and close the door for you, Derek.
Later. Woo, she fired up.
Hey, thanks for you finding like Finley 1982. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you. Mason G, what's going on? What's going
Comes a tight squeeze. I'll keep it tight. How's that side? Come on. That side's still good? Just a little bit. All right, cut it back. There you go. Come on in. Oh, go that way. You're good. Keep going. Go that way just a little bit. Trade and paint just a little bit. You are through.
Was that tight enough?
Yeah, I don't see any yellow on it. Oh, a little bit of yellow on the bumper. Just a little bit of yellow on the bumper. Laying it out. Crank it. Come on. A little more. All right. Robbie, watch back there. I can't see back there.
I'm just gonna get up to this corner right here.
Yeah, that's that 5% on the windshield. I think he likes that horn. Can't find them grinding them. Next year they're making them out of rubber. Come on, you're good. Yeah. As long as the bitch don't take off on you.
That's what we started doing just now. I had to repump a bunch of stuff.
Come on back. Come on. All right. Sounded like Robbie right there. Come on back. That's good.
What's up, man? Appreciate it.
That wasn't so bad.
You gotta lay it out for the viewers, man.
Straighten your wheel first.
Oh, I heard him running.
Yeah, come towards us.
More? Just a little bit.
Nope,
more.
you're good.
Okay. There it goes.
These valves are so slow.
These are the
Just pull the airline off
manual valves.
It wouldn't make a difference.
Probably like a ball valve over there.
on an 1/8 inch line.
Thanks, guys. We got 233 people.
Oh.
Valve over here.
Yeah, small manual valve. But that's it. She's in.
So she's in its place, or he, or whatever.
We did tap a little bit of water.
Yep, got a little bit of yellow paint.
So it did fit in sundown.
That's a
Got
NASCAR
little-
low tap right there.
There we go. It's the only damage.
That's how far we.
You're still going?
We're eight minutes in. That's enough. But that's it. New project is in the new home here, middle of the yard sale area. We cleaned out the subs, so some of them are sitting back over here. Some of them we sold Apex in the back, pulled out a lot of the motor frames, got rid of them back there. Yeah, Kyle, give a shout out
Hey.
to Mr. Kicker here.
Yeah, man. Awesome.
Give a shout out to
Audio Apex?
Yeah,
If
Audio
you need any
Apex.
sundown audio, make sure to check us out. We're one of the online dealers. We'll be happy to help you out. Give us a phone call. We can get you going.
what's your info? How'd they reach you?
Uh,
AudioApex.com.
No, we can go to
CarAudioBargain.com.
CarAudioBargain.com. That's pretty much the go-to. So look forward to helping anybody else.
Yep. And thanks, Kyle, for the spots, looking around because
Yeah.
I can't see nothing out of this windshield.
I appreciate you.
Even in here with all this light, I'll give you all a look inside. So it's funny enough on the camera, you can kind of see a silhouette, but I'm telling you, driving this thing in here, you can't see squat.
It's weird because we can see you just
But
fine.
Yeah.
oh, you probably barely see an outline doing this. But yeah, that's
See
it.
that smile on your face.
So new project is here. Project SPL is still right over here beside it. As of right now, most of the work on Project SPL, it's playable. It works. We won't be digging inside of it right now. Will be more videos coming soon. That's why I got this set up here. We just threw a bunch of stuff on the back to get it moved over, but it's still set up for the How Loud Will It Get series. All I can do is grab an amp, pop it on the back, wire it up. So there'll be more videos of that coming very, very shortly. But other than that, Project Spell is mostly going to stay the same. We got some little things we got to do, like fixing the doors, fixing the door frames, get that repaired for the following season. But first up on the do list here, next update video, we'll be digging in, gutting the interior, pulling the box off the back, which should be fairly simple. There is not a lot interior wise, and I think the seat is actually already loose. Something like that. But yeah, not a lot to the interior of these. We'll be doing a full gut on it coming very soon. There's a look at the door panels. I had to pull the door panels off and get in there to get the mirrors unbolted off. But yeah, got to get the box off the back, which I think will also be very simple because the way that this floor was cut and just kind of bolted on, there's bolts on the side. So we'll get these old stock tires out, get this unbolted and get it lifted, see what kind of shape our frame is in. But that's it. Here's our next update on new project. Yeah, so if y'all got some suggestions on names, put them in the comments, names for new project. But make sure, like, subscribe, share, all that cool stuff. Next update coming really soon. There we go.